upload this one? No. See, I forgot. So, tapis. Okay, and you go. So, and uploading one more and going to sleep. Okay. So, honestly, I can make 10 videos a day with a lot of information. Okay, the next one is the Eclipse one. Maybe only one part of the Eclipse one. Let's start the Eclipse one to have it going, okay? So.
Un filtre là, mais vous voyez, on voit rien. On voit rien avec le filtre. Donc voilà. Je sais pas exactement quelle est la raison, mais en tout cas, on voit pas avec le filtre.
So I bought a necklace where I can put my camera. So you see, here you go. So I think it's one of the nicest buy I've done in a long time. So here you go. It's this, and basically I can put my camera there. Okay.
Bon, mais de toute façon, c'est pas très grave. Le but, c'était pas non plus de d'avoir le soleil en vidéo.
Ah bah tiens, salut Eliane, on a trouvé, on est prêt. Donc ça ouais, bah attends, je vais...
En fait, sinon j'aurais acheté ce qu'il faut avec la caméra. C'était juste un peu histoire de filmer le moment.
So obviously I found a way to get the sun, basically with using my phone as a proxy. Okay.
envoie-moi la photo.
Ouais, bon, ça fonctionne pas.
So let me show you. So you see, using my phone, but
Mais par contre, avec le téléphone, ça fonctionne. Voilà. Par contre, on n'a pas une
you see, you can see the sun there. I don't know if you see. So because of the reflections, you cannot see a lot, but you can see the sun here. You see, so.
résolution qui est si bonne que ça. Ah, voilà. Alors peut-être que je peux avoir une bonne résolution.
So you see, when we're doing that, obviously the phone is not focusing right, okay? But
Comme ça.
so here you go, and I think I can show you. So I don't want to show you my my family because they don't want to be on screen, but maybe I can show you some of the moments.
Ah ouais, c'est donc 4 km au-dessus de la Lune.
So I'm talking about that because basically my father used to say Pamplune 4 kilometers above the moon, ok? Donc mon père disait beaucoup Pamplune 4 km au-dessus de la lune. Et il disait bah Gauthier t'es à Pamplune 4 km au-dessus de la lune toi, ok? He was saying to me Gauthier you are at Pamplune 4 kilometers above the moon, ok? So just you can now guess what this means, okay?
« 4 km au-dessus de la Lune. »
So here you go. So here is the sun during the eclipse. So the sun is there. So basically, you cannot see that half of the sun is covered because basically the camera cannot catch that. So you cannot see it through the phone because basically, so I can show you. You see? Oh no! Wait, you can actually. You can. It's there. You see?
Voilà. Et on prendra une photo à l'apogée aussi. Comme ça, voilà.
So you see, and I can show you the picture in real life though, like the picture that I took with the phone. So let me show you. So it's on my Google Photo. So obviously Google Photos been good to me, but sometimes there is some things that were added. You see that I did not add, okay? But otherwise it's been nice. So here you go. I'm going to show you. Oh, you see, only bad. You see. Oh no, I got a good one. Here you go. So here is what I could get with my phone. So you see, the sun's there, and basically this is the moon. So the moon going in front of the sun. This was honestly amazing. One of the best moments in my life, honestly. This is really beautiful to see. Amazing to see that, and very thankful to have been able to capture that. Okay, so this is really nice. And I got one at the maximum. So maximum hidden. So minimum light. Okay. So look, So this one is the minimum light that was coming through. Okay, so you see, and people, so you can see in the video, there were a lot of people, and honestly, it was amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay, so here you go. So is yes, the video is done. The exports are fast, so this is nice. And going to upload that. Whoop. So notification, to forget nothing. Okay, so we go up. So you see, I'm not doing marketing, guys. Only producing content. So here you go. So going to remove all the videos on my card until this one. I'm going to do a video montage of this one. Really amazing thing. Going to go to bed. Because I need to wake up early, okay? But honestly, one of the best moments of my life, honestly. Amazing moment. Can I get maybe some good clips?
Donc je vais bouger un petit peu.
So you see, with the necklace, see what this does? That's nice, huh? So it's like in Skyrim, you know, you're walking in the street.
Alors, techniquement la lune, j'avoue que ça fait très longtemps que j'ai pas regardé le mouvement des astres, donc vous voyez, mais vous voyez, sans regarder le mouvement des astres, je peux déterminer que ce serait mieux justement de faire un système par rapport au soleil, vous voyez, et où le mouvement du soleil, eh bien, peut être intuitif dans l'heure, vous voyez.
So I think this is honestly really important. Basically, on the multiplanetary system, this is going to be the system. We are not going to put back the administrative system that was done on Earth, obviously. It's going to be based only on the sun, okay? On the light, sorry. It's going to be based only on the light, you see?
Et enlever le côté administratif. Voilà.
Or, also, so this is something that I did not think about, honestly, but basically we can make a random time, you see, not based it on days, you see. I think it's better to base your life on days, honestly. But also, why not be creative about that? Maybe you could base the time not on days. You see, so days is a revolution of the planet. But basically, what if the planet is not turning? You see, some planets that we occupy could move in space without turning. Okay, so why not make a time that's not based on days? You see.
Donc de toute façon, c'est comme ça que ça va fonctionner sur les autres planètes. Hein. Donc voilà.
You see the amount of
Est-ce qu'on va vraiment remettre en place un système administratif à fuseau horaire sur d'autres planètes? Non. Vous voyez, donc voilà.
For me, no. Honestly, I want Earth to basically implement that in the fastest way. Honestly, because it would basically remove a lot of the hurdles of the time system today, and people would realize also how the sun is affecting the time. So how basically the Earth moving affecting the time. You see. So I think it's really important. People would get an intuitive sense of the physics. You see. Because right now, what they did is that they decoupled the physics, and so they decoupled the physics and the real life. We should couple it. You see, physics and real life should be coupled.
Alors faut suivre, hein. Parce que ça va aller. Ça augmente.
So you see, a lot of people, it was nice. So going to do that video another day.